here at the EIB, we have been collaborating with the European Commission since the beginning in the development of this Trustworthy AI. So we were involved in the first discussions like a couple of years ago, and even if we are not involved directly in the regulations, we always want to be aligned with what are the latest developments, and we try to direct our investments to companies that are collaborating in this creation of this European Trustworthy AI. Yes, indeed, and we have several instruments that are targeting AI in particular. We have one pilot instrument that we developed with the European Investment Fund that are targeting AI companies. And it's important also to highlight that the EIB is a special bank, so we do a technical appraisal of the project. So we go into the details, and we are sure that the companies that and the projects that we are financing are aligned with the AI values of Europe. We invest in companies that are based in the European Union. We deal with the technical teams. We understand how they are developing the project. So we get into the details of the activities that they are developing. So we are analyzing the companies, and we have a relationship based on trust. And they agree to comply with all the rules that the Europe is developing. And it's in their own interest to be aligned with this regulation. We collaborate with European institutions. Regarding AI, we have a good collaborations with the European Commission. We work with the EIC also in investing in startups. And we develop a lot of partnerships for many different technologies. As you know, AI is a transversal technology. So we have partnerships, for example, with the European Space Agency. We have partners with other European institutions where, of course, AI is part of the technologies that we are talking about.